Now we are at question number 20. It says statement A, assertion. If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are D 3, 5 and E -3, -3 respectively, then BC equals to 20 units. BC equals to 20 units. So let's try to solve this one. First of all, we will be finding out, since D and E, they are the midpoints of AB and AC, we can say since D and E are midpoints of AB and AC, therefore by applying midpoint theorem we can easily convey that it implies DE will be parallel to BC and DE is equals to half of BC. Right, now let's try solving the value DE. So how are we going to get DE? You have been given the coordinates of D and E. D is 3, 5 and E is -3, -3. So let's check what is DE. It will be distance formula we can use, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This distance formula we will be using to find out DE, which is square root of -3 whole square plus -3 -5 whole square. You can see for D the coordinates we have taken as x1 y1 and for E the coordinates we have taken as x2 y2. So therefore -3 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So -3 -5 whole square, this is what we have written. Now let's simplify it. Square root of -3 -3, that is -6, whose square will be 36, plus -3 -5, that is -8, whose square will be 64. Now 36 plus 64 is 100 and its square root will be equal to 10 units. So definitely if D and E, these are the coordinates given for point D and E, then DE equals to 10 units and it implies that BC will be equals to 20 units. Why? Because DE is exactly half of BC, right? So we can say half of BC is equals to 10. It implies BC equals to 10 into 2, which is 20 units. So looking at this, we can definitely say assertion is true. Now what about reason? Reason says the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. So the reason is nothing but midpoint theorem itself, right? And reason is true. Since it is a theorem, it is true. So we can say reason is also true. So what did we observe? Both assertion and reason are true, and using reason only we have tried to explain assertion. So therefore we can say both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion A. Option A is the correct answer for question number 20.